Hi, my name is Ben and I'm a rising sophomore at Regis High School. My second milestone was to establish a wireless connection between the two Arduinos using NRF and allow them to communicate wirelessly to send and receive data from the flex sensors. And the NRF module uses a 2.4 gigahertz band to send radio signals, which I operated at 115.2 megabits per second speed for baud rate. To toggle between control of the car and the claw, I integrated a button into my existing circuit because certain gestures had different meanings when they were sent to either the Arduino for the car or the claw. For example, a closed fist for the claw would make it contract and close, whereas if I were controlling the motors for the car, it would move backwards. And here, as you can see, I have an LED indicating whether it's controlling the car or the claw. In this case, it's lit up, meaning I'm controlling the claw. In the transmitter code, I attached an interrupt statement that would stop its current function and start running new code from taking precedence over that. This is basically responding to a change in input or a press of the button or change in the state of the LED, whether it's lit up or not. And basically, that'll determine whether I'm controlling the claw or the car. I also wrote functions that made different gestures with consideration to whether it's on the mode for controlling the glove of the car to send specific characters, capital letters, I wrote in hexadecimal in the code, to the receiving NRF, which the Arduino could interpret and then say, hey, I received letter A, cause this movement from the car. And many modifications I can make from that for gestures, sending characters to make different movements from the car or claw. One of my main issues for this milestone was inconsistency with the button, and for my purposes, bouncing is the tendency for the button to send multiple signals to the Arduino when it's only supposed to be sending one, and this leads to confusion on the Arduino's receiving end, as it's supposed to determine whether signal said it's pushed or not pushed, but the inconsistency leads to a maybe pushed possibility. Debouncing is the method of ensuring that only one signal is sent at a time with no fluctuation at all between sending multiple signals as a possibility. And to debounce my circuit, I included a capacitor which would store charge received from the button and store it until it's ready, and it'll send it all at once in one burst, which will solve my issue by sending one signal effectively. Thank you.